Politricks watch. This is Serbi. Now today, right, we have a sports topic, but the sports tying back to the same culture and mindset argument. Whether it's sports or music or anything, same attitudes, national attitudes, mindset. People are linking me. Look, YouTuber, you know she said this, and right now, yo, you don't even know my vex right now. Very nice. This matter regarding coach guy, kind of we talk about the Leon Bailey situation. This coach guy, Icelandic Billy Joe. Jamaicans a ball. I realize it's not found to get it, I will never ever get it. This is what happens when you refuse to shake off the Irish Saxon mindset. This is what happens when you actually expect loyalty, any kind of respect from people who could care less about you. End of the day, as the Yankee them say, it's business. It's all business. Before I go into this video, two things. My Patreon birthday shout out to the two members. Belated birthday. First one goes out to Tommy. Don't know, long time member of the Patreon squad. It is a belated birthday, but you don't know it already. Tommy know situation. Just a look at you, I know it late, but yeah, you don't know. So Tommy, hope you had a great day. Telling already. Every birthday, you have to give thanks. Because the people nowadays shame to get old. And people even want to tell their age again. Human beings are the older people who complain about getting old. The crocodile and the dog and them animal there. That's all they want to do. Just live and get old. But Tommy, big up yourself. Next up we have Elite 81. Another belated birthday. New member of the Patreon squad, but you don't know. I see him link. So Elite 81. Big up yourself. Hope you had a great day. A couple days ago was the actual Earth Strong. But as I say, sometimes people come sometimes people caught up in these celebrations where he dawn upon them say, some level look at YouTuber yet to make him know say. So like one of them situations there. So Tommy and Elite, big up on yourself, see? Enough blessings, man. Second thing more on touch, man, before we go into this video. Because we're going to talk about Messi, we're going to talk about Ronaldo, we're going to talk about Bailey, we're going to talk about the Icelandic guy. When I talk about the place them they were overrated and overhyped and dirty and people talk about it like say even there was some place I forget. There was one place in particular I forgot to mention. I don't know how I forget it. Somebody link me and tell me about time I say no say I wanted to it even worse than New York. You know why? Because it more hyped than New York. I talk about Paris. From me know myself, people talk about Paris like Paris is this big romantic and beautiful and scenic places. There's only like 5 good places to go. Go look on 5 things. Like the same 5 tourist sites, then we go look on everything. Apart from that, overrated, overhyped. You start walking around the actual Paris, you realize no fight a ghetto. No matter what they want to call it, a ghetto. Streets them, dirty like. But as I say, don't take my word for it still and go look for yourself. I mean, when you're Paris romantic and everybody go take the same picture near the Eiffel Tower and take the picture near the Louvre and go look on this and look on that and them only showing you a nice part. Think of it this way, it's like somebody visiting Ironman and only going to the 7 Mile Beach in Jamaica and them only go to the town part of Ochi and then go Jimmy Cliff Boulevard and then go back to tell them say them know about Jamaica. Them don't know nothing. But that's the same thing. When you go to them country, you know them places. And places enough of them are big ghetto. Anyway. People are link me. YouTuber, you see, when I talk about Leon Bailey and you see what going over here, you see what going over here, so. The coach this and the coach that. Well, nah, learn. The reason I want to get worked up over them things is because I still don't get it. The Irish Saxon just doesn't get it. Just like McNice and company. The Ironman coach guy, Hallgrímsson. First thing for you hear him name, you should have known that the man that can't business but not control in Jamaica. Man named Hallgrímsson. The dude is Icelandic. What are we talking about here? People are confused as to why an Icelandic Billy Joe have zero loyalties and don't give one damn about no for the Jamaican football or Jamaica as a whole. What are we talking about here? This makes no sense to me. Only the Irish Saxon does this. People are upset. So other people just look on it as business. Just because you loyal to your daddy and you have reverence to Billy Joe, because you rate Billy Joe to the heavens, you think the feeling is mutual. The man in a business or work, the man in my work. It's not betrayal, it's business. It's a damn job. Couple of Negroes offer him some money to do some work. Alright, something else come along. See you later, dummies. I said work. Just because you go America and England and Canada and you know loyal to them, and you loyal to your daddy, and you loyal to the custodian class in Ireland, so you loyal to, so you know things say mutual. They don't care. Man just eat some jerk chicken and drink a red stripe and smile and cuss too bad down and say, oh, he's just like us. Nothing makes the Jamaican happier than seeing Billy Joe cuss too bad word. Or quote unquote speak like us. And they're like, you're the man, the real dog. Yeah, real clown. Ready to open arms and embrace, only to get their hearts broken. That's what really upset Jamaicans. Because the love and the respect is not mutual. The guy is Icelandic, it's business. Just like a guy in America go work in a Burger King or something like so. You got your job, and you do what you have to do and go your yard, that's it. Man, I fall in love. Right within daddy in America, I talk about only love. Because I love that. The feeling is not mutual. The people them don't care, not because you care. This is just a bunch of emotional buffoonery. The only part of sports where loyalty matter is at the national level. That's it. Sport is business. Unless you're a Jamaican representing Jamaica, there is no such thing as no damn loyalty when it comes down to sporting affairs. It's because you fall in love with your daddy. You thought you were his child. Now you realize you were his stepchild. You know, I mean literal step where you step on. Look around you. Barcelona. You see how Barcelona deal with Messi and Xavi. Xavi and Messi are Barcelona legends. When the time come, they were like, see you later, guy. Xavi win La Liga, but the next season nothing no go on. Barca tell him to go suck him, mama, and sent him on his way. Couldn't manage the pressure. Cristiano Ronaldo go back to Man U, living legend. Things now go them want if you go, then tell him about his mama. Madrid all in place here. See you later, guy. There is no loyalty in sports. Only in the national level does loyalty matter, and that's if that person is a part of that country. I refuse to get worked up that some Icelandic Billy Joe don't give a damn about nothing concerning Ireland and made some business decision for himself. Sports is business, no care them try hype it up. It's a well-oiled business machine. Champs and all of that is business. Check the NBA, check the majority of the players, what them look like. Then check the majority of the owners, what them look like. Check the music companies, majority of the artists there, the dancer artists, what them look like. Majority of hip hop artists, what them look like. Now check the majority of the people who own the record labels, own the publishing labels, them, the big one them, what do they look like? Nothing has changed, guy. It's business. When NFL are go on and them draft up the biggest and the strongest of Negroes, him thick and strong, man, him can do really well for it. All the difference is now they get paid. Well, no different though. But still daddy own it. This is business. What are you getting worked up about? This is business. As the young kid them that say. In a football, a player with up on a club team. And he will score a goal and kiss the shirt badge. And by next season him sign for our next club for more money. It's business. Only at the national level. That is why we'd have to call out Leon Bailey. Because Leon Bailey is a Jamaican. And at the national level, that's the only place where loyalty matters. When you put on your country shirt, that is it. If Germany hire me tomorrow to be the coach for them national football team, There is no amount of money Germany can pay me if make me care about Germany. Me that try to win the game them, right? Because, well, you want to win anything you do, right? And you want to stay in the job and keep getting paid. But if me did 1 3-4 months, and then France come along and say them offer me one extra 5 million euros, well, me have to go tell Germany about them mama. See you later, guy. It's business. The only people I have loyalty to is Ireland. The only country that is entitled to my loyalty and respect is Jamaica. The rest of them, it's business, guy. You can't put on a statement, Sir P, disrespect Germany, cause Sir P, they say I'm go make Germany and ain't gone over to France can't work. Guy, get over it. I'm sure you live. That would be my attitude. Business about German. You think I'm losing sleep over German? The difference is, no German guy and then a rush behind a Jamaican. That's the difference. The difference is, no French guy, no English guy, and then no rush behind no Negro. Right? If you can't run nothing for them. That's the difference. You have to be exceptional to get at the job there. They'll make you a player, but leader, you have to have divine talents to get that in the job there. Some people are like, yo, you say, man, this, look at you in the look at you, you see, man, this. I'm like, wanna expect loyalty from Icelandic Billy Joe? Iceland, you know. Iceland. Sports is business. This is why years ago, make the video I'm telling about champs. You see, all of them stay quiet. Just a little house nigga them come make nice. Because the people them give them little contracts and them little promo deals. And them benefit from the exploitation, the sporting culture of champs and the youth them. We take part tonight. Me they tell you, say champs and them sitting there. The amount of pitney where school life mash up cause of champs. The least them can do is put together a fund. So the pitney them who career, so the pitney them who clearly can't function in school cause them spend too much time at train for tracks. And now go make no team because there's only 4 places. 2,000 pitney a compete for 4 places. Right. Make them take some of the money where they make off of them pitney their back and give them it back through, right, some kind of program, say go on a heart or go learn some kind of skill. The one of them claims to them love the youths, they never have nothing to say. Right. Just them typical house niggas jump out in defense of them daddy. These are shills. Corporate shills masquerading as journalists. Them only a romantic story about trying to help the youth go to the next business. The people them who really eat or fight, you don't know their names. You know the name of the athletes. You know the name of their coaches. But you don't know the people them who really eat the real food off of this machine. Wait. Billy Joe take man for fool. Wait. Crying Irish Saxons. It's embarrassing. People are leaving me like things. I was going to go on this rampage right about this coach. I don't give a damn about no Icelandic guy. I expect loyalty and respect for the Jamaican shirt from people like Leon Bailey. I could care less about some Icelandic guy. Talking about Leon Bailey. The Euro won recently on the Copa America. You know, Messi and Ronaldo career are wind down, you know. When I watch the ball of them play, me say Ronaldo, when he did miss the penalty in the game, break down and him team of here console him and then him penalty shootout, compose himself and step up again and go score. Team eventually get knocked out. Messi in the Copa America have come off early. End up on the bench. The video there. In tears. We are talking about mindset, guy. 2 Two people who now have nothing more to prove in a football are still devastated when they can't win, you know. Argentina go win, but Messi never. This Copa America, Messi hardly do anything in this Copa America. But even his presence on the team help play a role. Sometimes I saw it go with them baller there, you know. Right, some of them baller there, even though they might can't do what them doing at the past, but there's some presence alone can galvanize the squad. But we see Messi on a bench, distraught. See Ronaldo, a ball over pinner. These men are some of the richest and most accomplished sportsmen in the world. This should be the least of them. There is nobody in Portugal will hold it against Ronaldo. So them not win this Euro. There's nobody in Argentina will hold it against Messi. Even if Argentina never win. Remember when Ronaldo come off during the Euro finals and go up on the bench, go turn manager? The man come off in the game injured. Normally when they come off injured, they go down the tunnel, go back to the locker room, Ronaldo up on the sideline, turn manager. Why do these people care about their country so much? I'm telling you about mindset, because it's instilled in them. Ronaldo said the 2016 Euro finals was the greatest, right? When they win it was the greatest day of my life. That's a man who win multiple Ballon d'Ors and multiple Champions League. But nothing mean the same to him like winning with his country. The same thing with Messi, all the greatness Messi do. Right? It was when he win World Cup with Argentina that him really use and seal it up. And that the man them really care about. Winning with them country. But the Jamaican baller them care about money and hype first, and we make most of their money with club. So them care about club more than country. When they see Messi up on the bench a ball, if that was Leon Bailey not up on the bench a smile, can you think about? Him not think about which go-go club ma go in the night. Him not think about Passa Wednesday and Weddy Wednesday. Him not think about which bottle of champagne them a go pop. Which Gen Z Jezebel can call upon you now, right, for roll out with. That's what Liam did. Them youth in the business about the country. Messi and Ronaldo devastated about losing with them country. Messi and Ronaldo are still passionate about them country. Man who win things with them country. And Bailey and them man who no win nothing. I behave so. They have not earned the right to behave so. And I them a behave so. Messi and Ronaldo have earned the right to be a bunch of selfish turds, you know, business about nothing. And country can go suck it, mama, because I don't give no a trophy already. They've already done that. And them still care. And build them who know win nothing under the sun. Right, with Iron Man. I tell man about him, even if he go him and miss kind party a keep. That's the difference. So when you tell me about, look at YouTube and see man this, tell me about Jamaicans who violate Jamaica and I will care. But don't tell me about the Icelandic guy. The problem is when you take this out of many one people think too serious, you know. When you take this out of many one people think too serious, it's unicorn meat. But I fact Sunday me a video come. Just make you know. Regarding the whole thing we go down with here with the pig wig family there. Right. Well, you can understand what I want Sunday. Telling about the man. Go into it. All of this come from the fact that the Irish Saxon is emotionally attached. Who don't even check for them? It's business. I only expect loyalty from Jamaicans. I only expect reverence for the Jamaican shirt and for Jamaica from Jamaicans. No foreign guy, right? No old Jamaican, nothing at all under the sun. But because you give other people no reverence and other people no loyalty, you confuse when you meet somebody who could care less if you live or die and see you nothing more, right, than a tool for name a food offer and go back where them come from. Anyway, Sunday we're not gonna understand further. Patreon squad, big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more life, Ultra squad, see you circle. Bless.